In today's tutorial, make sure you how to reset your Wi-Fi settings on your Dell laptop, tablet, or traditional desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should go back to settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select where it says network and internet. And then on the right side, you want to go down underneath advanced network settings. Go ahead and select that. And then select underneath more settings versus network reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. This will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby because you will need them once you restart your device. And then it's going to ask you to want to reset your network settings. Select yes. And then you will need to close out of all your open applications and then restart your device at this time. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.